Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use your TD Bank ATM services. In order to do so, first thing first, make sure that you've already applied for an ATM card or that you already have an ATM card. In case if you haven't applied for your ATM card, what you can do is you can head over to the official site of TD Bank. That is www.TDbank.com. You can also find a link on my description box below, and as soon as you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. You can see right on top you have a list of tabs, so from here you need to click on products. As you click on product, a drop down menu appears and click on the credit card option. If you don't know how to register or apply for the credit card or an ATM card, what you can do is you can check out my videos. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below, and from there you'll be able to learn how you can apply for the credit card of TD Bank account. So to use TD Bank's ATM services, it is as similar as using ATM card of any other bank account. All you need to do is make sure that you already have an ATM card and make sure that you've already activated your card. After that, what you can do is you can visit the nearest ATM and then withdraw the money, or you can use it as a payment method for purchasing any product on the store. And in this way, you can use your TD Bank ATM services. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.